Welcome to Singapore! Hi fam, welcome back to another vlog. So third day na natin dito sa Singapore and pangatlong araw na rin ng Creatorverse and 7:45 na ng umaga ngayon. Nagmamadali na ako kasi 7:50 ang call time sa baba. So kailangan na nating umalis. Nag-after party kami kagabi, tapos nag-midnight snack kami sa Lau Pasat kagabi and nakauwi kami parang mga 2:40 AM na yata or 3 AM. Mga ganun time. So ayun, kaya hindi na ako umabot sa breakfast ngayon. Nag-alarm ako ng mga 6:30 pero 7 o'clock na ako nakabangon. And yeah, ngayon 7:45 na. Baba na tayo, nagmamadali na ako. So today, experiences day natin. So we were divided into different groups. Tapos, iba't ibang mga destinations ang pupuntahan natin sa Singapore. So tayo, na-assign tayo sa group 1C, yung culinary experience. So share ko na lang mamaya lahat ng mga pupuntahan natin. Let's go, baba na tayo. Kaya naghihintay lang ako ng elevator pababa. O diba, hindi na ako makakapag-breakfast. Okay lang, culinary naman yung gagawin natin. So, share ko na mamaya. Gamit ko yung bag na binigay ni Klook. Okay. Sakto lang tayo. 7:48 ngayon. Oh, 7:50 call time. Oh, we're not late. Let's go. Hindi ko pala kasama ngayon yung mga Filipino creators. Kasi nga hiwa-hiwalay kami ng experiences. Pero isa kasama natin si Alves of Just Got. Bye-bye!
Oh my God, guys!
Love you!
Good morning, guys! Good morning, fam!
Hi, Legit! Yeah. 1C!
One? Not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Hi! What's your name? Regine. I'm Jane.
I was one of our top creators.
Oh, thank you. And we have Mildred and Regine. Hi. Good morning, guys. You look so fresh in the morning.
You too. Did you have breakfast?
No.
It's okay, we will be eating the entire day.
Yeah. That's why. Oh, diba? We're gonna eat the whole day. So, okay lang na hindi mag-breakfast. Dito na si Ivan and Maine. Hi, Ivan!
Hi! Good morning!
Good morning!
Ay, ba? Naging Thailand.
Si Alves. Hi, Alves! Good morning!
Kayo po ba ay handa ng kumain?
Yes.
Mabubusog ka.
May nag-breakfast ka?
Oo. Kami hindi na kami mag-breakfast.
Oo, kasi kakain daw tayo.
Hindi nyo na kailangan. Kasi
Oo.
hindi kayo kakain.
Sabi nga nila.
Mamayang gabi kakain lang.
I think mix-mix lang.
Ayan, iniwan na natin yung ating mga friends doon. Andun pa sina Ivan, sina Archie. Hello! Good morning! Wow! Ang ganda naman ng ating sasakyan. Okay, first stop, magkakape daw muna tayo. Kasi yung first activity natin, 9 AM pa. Ito yung hotel boss pala, oh. Parang malapit to sa ano, sa Bugis, no? Anyway, ito muna tayo. Chapter 1. We're gonna buy coffee. Okay, here's our first stop. Let's go tour Singapore. So, magluluto-luto tayo dito, fam. May mga bike din sila. So, may bike tours din siguro sila. Dito lang siya sa tapat ng Hotel Boss. Sarap ng ating coffee. Ayan, oh. Kayang-kaya ka ipaglaban. Christina from Indonesia.
Nice to meet you guys.
So nice. Okay, let's go. So bago pala tayo magluto-luto, may pupuntahan muna tayong market. Malapit lang dito. Ayun yung mga kasama nating mga creators. Meron tayong kasama from Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam. Wholesale. Ayun, cute na mga polo.
Here is called lavender. Alright? So lavender is called lavender because the flower. Do we grow flowers like lavender in Singapore? No, we don't. Okay? The reason why is because beside the nearest train station in Lavender, Okay, there is actually a place that's actually a canal, right? And back then in the olden days, people used to dump the waste over there. It stinks so much that the locals would really hope that it smells something more positive. So they call it lavender. Okay, but as we move to public housing, the government says, please be civilized. We are all sharing the units. I grew up in 1980s. You see the handlebars? I hold up there. I was living in level 13. I hold up there all the way to level 1. The doors open. I jump out. Why? It's because urine were there.
Oh, people just piss on the floor.
They will just piss in the lift, not on the floor, no, in the lift.
Oh.
It's terrible. So in 1980s, the government says this thing has to stop. What do? They install devices like this, which is called a urine detector device. So if I'm going up to level 10, for example, at level 5, it detected ammonia.
You will stop.
The whole lift will go, dang, 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 dang. It will stall at level 6, 7. 3 persons will come to your rescue. 2 of them is police officers with uniform. 1 of them is a cleaner with a mop. They're going to catch you in the act. You cannot say it's not mine. It is yours because you're stuck in the lift. Okay? $1,000 a fine. You're caught public urination.
So the lift is closed.
May ammonia
You can
daw
stall.
to detect yung ano,
You will move.
mga umiihi sa lift. Ganyan yung mga apartment nila. Tapos yung sampayan nila. Oh.
Singaporeans tend to be a bit too vocal. Okay? They talk and
Di ba ang cute ng tour natin? It's about local experiences here in Singapore. They-discuss niya about sa mga apartments dito sa Singapore.
Right, so now everyone, now what we have here is this. Okay? What is this?
Pandan.
Pandan, very good. So pandan is actually a very common leaf or plant that we have here in Singapore. So later on, we are going to make use of this leaf to cook our dessert. It's a pandan coconut cream. Okay? Right, so what are the uses of pandan? Singaporeans? Drinks. Okay, we put it into dessert drinks. Yes, what else?
Chicken rice.
Chicken rice, yes, we're going to use chicken rice to cook it later. Okay, and later, the other one that we use it on a daily basis is that we actually put it at the storerooms and the dark corners to keep away cockroaches. Okay, we put it in the car so that it smells better. Okay, so Singaporeans, especially when we love durians, having this to be an air con, like to blow out the air itself, is actually pretty nice and fragrant as well. Okay? Next thing, everyone. Lemongrass. I'm sure all of you know, we are all Asians, right? Yes. So the thing is this, lemongrass. Now, how much should we cut for a lemongrass? Only about half of it. Okay, about this long, alright? Half of it. Okay? The top part here doesn't have a lot of fragrance. So that's why the Thai people will actually use it to stir the lemongrass drink. Right?
Ganito pala yung palengke ng Singapore. Oh. Para siyang nakalagay sa isang building din. Chicken and duck dinner.
This is our chicken. Alright? So now, ladies and gentlemen, everyone. In Singapore, where do we get the chickens from? Malaysia. Very good. We import them from Malaysia. Fresh ones. It's actually slaughtered every time in Malaysia. We do not slaughter them in Singapore. Okay? Right? So, over here, I would like every one of you to take a look over here. The black chicken. Do you have it in Vietnam?
Black chicken.
Yes, Vietnam? Thailand?
Yes.
I'm pretty sure, right? What do you eat? Please be careful. Okay? But the thing is this, everyone. Today it's Wednesday, correct? Yes. Okay, so if every one of you here today booked an experience with me on a Monday, I will not be able to bring any one of you here to the market or anywhere else in Singapore because all markets on Monday is closed. Why?
They need a rest.
They need the rest? Cleaning time. Cleaning? No. Well, the thing is this. It is all because of the butchers. Okay? Why? Because in 1980s, when Singapore first started, when we actually have pig farms, okay, but that was back then in 1960 we had pig farms, but it was everywhere along Singapore River. It was so smelly. And then in 1980s, the government says we need to relocate them. And when it was relocated, we cannot relocate it too near to the public houses. So we decided to move it to outside outsourced.
Okay, in fairness, ang interesting ng shinare niya. Shinare na yung market daw is closed every Monday. Kasi that's the time na wala nang fresh meat. So, mag-import sila. Every week daw nag-import ng livestock. Tapos sa kanila kinakatay dito. Wala silang mga poultry dito. Ayan na, ito ang itsura ng market dito sa Singapore.
Okay, so we get it from
Ito, isda naman.
Thailand.
Sa Malaysia and Thailand daw sila kumuha ng fish.
Indonesia.
Tignan niyo yung wet market nila dito. Ang linis pa din. And wet siya kasi basa yung sahig. Pero it's clean.
Yeah, we're going to head back in a while.
Tapos kainan doon sa kabila.
Before we go.
Kasi natin dito.
Inside, beat up and down 3 times. 3 seconds each. Okay? Put it inside. Slowly, slowly. 1,000. No, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Lift it up. Okay? One more time. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Wow, this one suffocate. Slowly, slowly, gently, gently. 3 up. Okay? Let go. Okay? Hold it there, hold it there, hold it there. Muscle, muscle, hold. You see all this? What's this? What's happening? The paws of the chicken is opening. Okay? Alright, so now put your chicken here. Okay? So now you choose which team. Team Thailand! Yay! Okay, so everyone,
okay.
what does the salt do to the
Yan na. So 30 minutes pala siyang lulutuin. 5 minutes yung high temperature, tapos 25
Okay, so
minutes
5 minutes full temperature.
full
Okay.
temperature.
Then after that, 25 minutes low temperature,
Low
about
temperature.
160 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! Tapos after nun, susok lang daw sa normal water.
So what we're going to do is that we're going to start to cook the rice.
Okay, sasain
Okay.
na tayo ng
We're going
rice.
to stir fry the rice first.
Jasmine rice.
Okay, why do we have to stir fry the rice? It's because we want the rice to be crispy on the outside, and then individually when it's cooked later, right, you can eat it individually like this. It's actually separated. Okay, that is the technique of our chicken rice here.
But you stir fry with just oil and the herbs, right?
Yes, correct. Okay, because you want to stir fry the rice to make sure that the rice is crispy. The rice is wet now, so you stir fry the rice. Ginger, shallots, pandan, sesame oil. Okay. Now, what if I put in coconut milk and I put in lemongrass? Right. Once you are done like this, I will give you a tray. You crack the eggs on the tray, loosen it. This whole thing goes on top of it and you roll it front and back.
Okay, ayan na. Hinalo natin yung chicken. Mushroom, tofu. Ay, tofu, ayan. Mushroom, tofu, carrots, sesame oil, egg, tapos chicken thigh. So ito ilalagay daw natin sa egg. Tapos ipa-fry siguro natin.
Okay. All good. Mix ready? Okay, yeah. And then fold it.
We have to make it very sick. Okay. Ang pangalan pala ng niluluto natin ay moyong. Diba meron tayo niyan sa Pinas? Sa Cebu. So that's what we're cooking. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Patapos na kami. Ready tayo. Hi, Mint! And we have flour. Christina is mixing. So cute!
Cutesy!
Yes! Ayun yung palm sugar. Go, Chef Alves. Smile, Chef. Ayan. palm sugar yung gagamitin. Yan na, nilalagay ng ating
Yep.
shredded coconut. Yeah! Chef Alvin is really good.
Perfect sweetness.
It's so embarrassing because it is always dripping, right? So what do? To stop it from dripping, you scoop up, you dip halfway, it stops. Dip halfway, it stops. Okay? This is actually how you do it. Okay? But of course the consistency has to be thicker, right? So this is actually how you do it. But then again, right now, what we're going to do is heat up the pan. This is a non-stick pan, but just to put in a little bit of oil. So this is the crepe that we're going to do. It's kueh dada. It's like a pancake crepe. The trick to it is that you need to shake. Shake. Okay? The heat, because it is induction starts from the center. So you need to shake a bit. Make sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom. Okay? Right, so this is this. We put inside here. Okay? 13 pieces garlic, 8 slices of ginger, 2 shallots, 1 chili. 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. Okay? Some people put lime, right? But it depends. Okay? Once done, 1 full ladle of the chicken stock inside. Okay?
We have to flake.
Christina is the master of pancakes.
Master of pancake.
Yeah, ayun, ang ganda.
It's ruined.
Yeah.
Again.
That's fine. Because the oil is so greasy.
Okay, yeah. Ito na yung ngoyong natin. Love it.
Can you see? This is the juice. Okay? So what we have here, okay, is to use the knife. 1, 2. Pull out. 1,
Wow!
2. Overturn. 2 thumbs goes in. Dig. This is the chicken oysters. Okay? This is actually very tasty, yeah? So next, slice down. Slice down. Okay? Next thing, the chicken backside face up, slice down, use the end to chop. Next, use your thumb, go through the neck, pull out. The whole meat is out. This is the whole bone is out. Okay? Over here, 1, 2. The collarbone, remove. Okay?
It's getting more complicated now.
Okay? Next thing, use the tip of the knife, goes down all the way. Feel the bones now. Now the bone is on my right. So I'm going to use my knife to go down, slowly go with the bones.
Let's try Hainanese chicken.
Okay? Nice?
It's nice! Wow!
Juicy, tender. Okay? Right? So this part here is the belly. The belly is always the one that you will hear the piak sound. Okay? This is half a chicken. Okay? So it's not complicated. Okay? So you just have to...
Okay, ito na ang ating ngoyong and chicken. Hainanese chicken made from scratch. We also have pancake. Okay, ready to eat.
Waiting for you.
Try.
Yummy.
Wow, creative, huh?
I'll try and
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
It's good. Okay, tapos na ang ating cooking experience. 1 o'clock. Thank you, Chef! Bye! Love it! Yeah. Creators from Singapore! Hi! Okay fam, nandito na tayo sa ating next stop, ang Museum of Ice Cream here in Singapore. It's currently 1:30 ng tanghali.
Ice cream, those are the first time welcome back. Okay? So just a few things that you need to take note of while we were inside. So what we have
Okay, let's go. Kakain pala tayo ng ice cream dito. So, unang gagawin natin is write our ice cream name. Ano ba magandang ice cream name? Okay, here's our name. Very demure, very cutesy. Sweet JM. Hindi ka lang, pasok na tayo. Okay, here's our first ice cream, Danzy. Ayan o. Yay! Double chocolate and strawberry speculoos. Let's eat ice cream, cookie butter.
I want to try the strawberry speculoos.
Sarap.
Good.
Good. Ayan, nakagawa tayo. Philippines! JM Bankisha Kluk. Cute. Okay, another ice cream. Okay, I'll have mango. Cream Diner. Ito, apa naman ito. Cone. Ito yung mga ice cream around the world. Siyempre, kasali tayo. Queso ice cream! Yay! Okay, time check. 4:30 PM na. Nandito tayo sa Clarke Quay and sasakay tayo fam ng Singapore River Cruise. So, diba? Itong activity na to ang hindi pa talaga natin na-try dito sa Singapore and I'm so happy na matatry na natin siya. Kasama siya sa activity natin dito sa Creatorverse. Kumuha na ng ticket ang ating Klook staff representative from Singapore River Cruise. Ayan siya, oh. Ganda, no? Okay, let's go! Creators in action! Okay, let's go! Ooh. Oh, it's nice. Stay indoor during bad weather. Okay, alis na tayo. 4:40, hindi pala 5 PM. So, napaaga ang alis natin. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo iikot. Ilalagay ko yung screenshot na lang ng activity dito. Tapos yung link ilalagay ko sa description box kung gusto nyo din mag-book ng Singapore River Cruise. Ayan. Book it on Klook and use my code JM Bankisha Kluk para makakuha kayo ng discounts. Bye! Bye, Clarky! Okay. Ayan, lumahangin naman. So, presko naman pala. Tapos may nagdi-discuss doon sa harap. Ano siya? Recorded video. Ayan. Clarke Central. Doon tayo sumakay yun. CQ at Clarke. Ayan na, nasa ilalim na tayo ng tulay. Welcome to the Pasig River. Char! Singapore River pala. Jumbo Seafood. Oh, masarap daw kumain dyan. Recommended nila. Heritage Collection ulit. Ah, boat key pala to. Kita na natin ang Marina Bay Sands at the Fullerton Hotel from here. Ah, okay. Ito na yung nilakad natin before. Ni Papang. Love it. Yan na si Merlion pa mo. Merlion. And ang Marina Bay Sands. Love it. Yan ang Singapore skyline. Makalapit na tayo sa Art Science Museum. And sa likod niya ay ang Marina Bay Sands. Puntahan natin yan one of these days. Pagkasama natin sila Mamang at Papang. Para maipasyal natin sila dito. Ito na ang Helix Bridge. Ito naman ang Flower Dome and Cloud Forest. Ayan, nakabalik na tayo dito sa sinakyan natin kanina. Isang oras din yung biyahe ng boat. Now we're heading to our next stop. We're gonna eat. Yay! We're gonna eat buffet! Woohoo! Have energy?
Love it.
More
More energy.
energy! Energy! Ito pala ang Clarke, no? Ang ganda. So, sa tabi rin siya ng river. Tapos maraming restaurants. It's my first time here sa Clarke. And yeah, nakakatuwa naman pala siya. Okay, next up na tayo. Nandito tayo sa Paradox, Singapore. Dito tayo kakain ng buffet. Let's go! Ay, ang sarap. Aircon na dito. Sa wakas. Grabe, napaka-humid po dito sa Singapore. Ayan, dito tayo magbubuffet. Ellenborough Market Cafe. Okay fam, ayan, biglang quick outfit change na tayo, no? Kasi 6:30 pa pala yung buffet. Eh, kanina 5:50 pa lang. So, meron pa kaming 40 minutes. Chinek namin yung hotel. 7-minute walk lang from doon sa pagbubuffetan natin. Ang lapit lang pala ng Clarke dito, as in walking distance na. So, naglakad kami pabalik dito sa hotel. Ayan, nag-shower kami. Balta ko ng damit, diba? O, at least, fresh na ulit tayo after all the pawis na ginawa natin maghapon. Kasi hanggang mamayang gabi pa tayo, tuloy-tuloy ang schedule natin. After ng buffet, we will go to Universal Studios Singapore. Dahil meron tayong Halloween night. So, parang may special preview ang Universal Studios for us. And mag-open na ang kanilang Halloween night in time for Halloween. So, yan yung gagawin natin mamaya. Hinihintay lang namin ibang kasama namin tapos punta tayo sa buffet. Okay, we're here na. Ito sure na talaga tayong makakapag-buffet tayo. Where is our table? Halika, ikutin na natin ang mabilis. Beef bolognese pasta. Okay. Roasted chicken. Wow, I like this. Huskan beef stew. Mashed potatoes. Okay, love that. Tapos vegetables and garlic. And Hong Kong sauce. What's this? Fish, okay. Tapos mga sauces. Chicken shawarma. Ayan. Let's check the seafood. Oh, sashimi. Ang dami ng salmon, no? Tapos tuna. Kain tayo nitong tuna. Ayan. And then mussels, clams, tiger prawns. Okay. Love that. And yogo oysters. Nice. Seafood chowder. Okay. And lotus roots with peanuts chicken soup. Yan natin doon sa kabila pa. Okay, we have grilled prawn. Ayan, spicy pork. Grilled chicken. Tapos chicken karage, potato croquette, and what's this? Salad station. Singapore rojak. Yan, this one. Lady's finger with chili paste. Salad of the day. Okay. Oh, nice. Ito naman ang kanilang chocolate fountain. Bubur jagung. Contain dairy. Tapos green bean soup. Oh. Mixed bean sweet soup. Ah, parang dessert nga siya. Okay, got it. And and white fungus papaya. And then, ito naman ang kanilang mga mixed fruits. Durian pengat. Ito yung sabi ni manager kanina na best daw dito. Okay, we have desserts here. Pastries. Assorted nyonya kwe. Wow, sarap yan ah. Tapos ito parang halo-halo version nila. Oh. Love it. Tapos may macaroons din. Ito, anong meron dito? Nasi kunyit. Oh, rice. Babi tauyu. Pork. Uy, ang sarap nito, oh. Parang pork humba sa atin. Nyonya chapche. Ayam buah keluak. Udang kuananas. Oh, shrimp. And Singapore chili crab. Oh. Uy, ang bango ng Singapore chili crab. What's this? Traditional Pai tea. Ah, nice. Minced pork with salted fish sauce. Spicy pork. Oh, I guess this is their laksa station. Ayan na. Okay, may pag-gift pa sa atin si Paradox. So, Singapore, thank you so much, Paradox. Let's eat. Fish. Tiger Pro. Okay, here's our next food. Oysters and mussels. Ooh. And chili crab. Okay, fam, 8:20 na ng gabi ngayon. Tapos na tayo mag-dinner. Ang sarap ng buffet. And ngayon, hinatid na ulit tayo ng service. Andito na tayo sa Resorts World Sentosa. So maglalakad na lang tayo papunta doon sa meet-up point. Let's go. Thank you. There. Universal Studios Singapore. Let's go. Harry Potter, Visions of Magic. Come on. We're back sa Universal Studios Singapore. Pag akyat ng escalator, ito na agad kasi service yung naghatid sa atin, di ba? Pero pag nag-tren, doon pa tayo dapat manggagaling. Ayan siya, fam, oh. Halloween Horror Nights! Let's go! Let's go, let's go! Universal Studios Singapore! Ayan, fam, nakaregister na kami and got a gift from Team Wang Design. Lalakir kami, nalagay natin ito sa locker. Wow! Universal Studios Singapore Halloween Horror Nights! Ayan na siya. May sweet home, oh. Ooh! Come on!
I'm going out for it.
Okay, okay.
I'm getting prepared.
Lika.
Okay, this one is fried.
Mama, tolong, Mama. Okay, okay, cepat, I'll be cepat. Mama.
Ate, ito na.
Alam niyo,
Gulat lang tayo.
Oo.
Ano, kamusta ba tayo dyan?
Grabe.
Ay.
Hindi ko kinakaya.
Doon ako sa mga alam mo sa sarili ko rin, nagugulat ako
Oo.
eh. Pero I mean, hindi naman sila na scary.
Correct.
Talaga.
Gulat talaga. Gulat ang labanan. Grabe. Woo! Made it! Okay, yan. Hello na ito nag-vlog. Sumakay sila ng Galactica, Human and Cylon. Naiwan kami ni Coles. Tsaka ni Zen. Oh, ito next natin ito-try. Singapore's most haunted, The Killings. Let's go. Yan yung mga tropa natin. For a baby. Hey! 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 Di pa!
Nakakailang haunted house na kayo?
Isa pa lang.
Puro kami ride.
Sunod-sunod ka naman.
We prioritize.
Roller coaster ka?
Hindi. Dalawa kami sa baba. Kaya ay nahanap ka lang.
Gusto nila magdamami tapos yung isa na tayo.
Oo.
Tayo magkakasama.
Ay, ang saya. Kompleto na ang gang. Namiss namin ng isa't isa kasi isang buong araw kaming hiwa-hiwalay.
O, papakapit ka sumigaw. Yun na.
May karamay namin. Nadala. Kami natatakot eh.
O, may bubulong.
Gusto ba?
Hawakan mo na.
Thank you, walo ka rin.
Ayan pa, may show dito sa Far Far Away Land. Okay fam, 11:30 na ng gabi and magsasara na ang park. So palabas na kami. Ayan, labas na tayo. We had fun! Ang saya. Ayan na, pauwi na po ang Team Philippines. Magbabas tayo pabalik ng hotel natin. Sa buong village kami. Ayan o. Sa buong barangay. Hi, Happy! Hello! Uwi na tayo. Okay fam, we're finally back sa ating hotel room. It's currently 12:13 na ng umaga. And yeah, medyo masakit lang ang ulo ko. Nagka-headache ako pero siguro dahil sa puyat din. Kasi ilang oras na itog namin kanina. And sa sobrang init din kanina. No, grabe yung humidity talaga dito sa Singapore. But I'm not complaining. We're very happy with how our day went. No? Ang saya ng activity from the cooking class kanina to the Museum of Ice Cream. And then yung river cruise panalo. Tapos yung buffet natin. Hanggang sa Universal Studios na konti lang yung clips na nakuha ko. Kasi nag-enjoy lang talaga kami. Kaya feeling ko konti lang yung mga nakuha kong clips. Anyway, that ends our day 3 here in Singapore. Grabe, no? Yung mga tourists kanina, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung links, no? Ilalagay natin yung screenshot dito ng tour ng cooking class, tapos Museum of Ice Cream, ilalagay din natin dito. Singapore River Cruise, we're gonna put it here. Tapos yung buffet, ilalagay din natin dito. And then, lahat ng mga links nito ay ilalagay ko sa description box below. Para kung gusto nyo rin mag-book ng mga activities na yan, pwede nyo i-book sa Klook, tapos gamitin nyo yung code ko ng JM Bankisyo Klook para makakuha kayo ng extra discounts. So yun lang fam, it's time to rest. Tomorrow is our 4th day and last day ng Creatorverse, no? And tomorrow, mag-check out na lang talaga and pauwi na rin yung mga international creators. And tomorrow ay darating na sila Mamang and Papang tomorrow lang hapon. So pupunta tayo ng airport, susunduin natin sila, no? So tomorrow ang plano ko is magpahinga lang talaga bukas, bawi tayo ng rest tomorrow morning, tapos magliligpit tayo ng gamit para mag-check out kasi lilipat na tayo ng ating hotel. So i-share ko na lang yan sa vlog tomorrow. So sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to fam. And before I end this vlog, please do follow me sa aking mga social media accounts. It's JM Bankisyo sa Facebook, at JM Bankisyo sa Instagram, and at JM Bankisyo _ sa TikTok. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong vlog na to, please pakilike nyo naman sa baba and subscribe kayo sa channel ko and hit nyo yung notification bell para manonotify kayo every time na magkakaroon tayo ng bagong upload. Maraming salamat sa panonood fam and sa pagsama sa akin sa day 3 of the Creatorverse, and I'll see you on the next Singapore vlog. Bye! Good night!
Close to the sun.